Ooh. But if you like carrots, it's gonna be bomb for you. You like carrots and barely any seasoning, it's gonna be bomb for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry if the background is a little loud, but anyways, that's what happened when you live with children. So I had tried something called Green Chef. I always see these YouTubers, trying all these meal kit delivery stuff and saying, oh my gosh, it's a 10 out of 10. So I was like, all right, bet. So I'm making this chickpea salad sandwich. I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to show because companies be tripping. They don't want to share stuff with people. So anyways, Charlie Nosy per usual. Like, when I tell you this dog doesn't let me breathe, he is in like my mouth 24/7. And I don't know if like you grew up black, but like black people, I know for a fact, like adults used to be like, I need you to get out of my mouth, you know what I'm saying? But he's all up under me 24/7. Anyways, y'all know, okay, boom, y'all saw them carrots. So when I first opened the package and I saw them carrots, I was like, oh, here we go again. Because y'all know, like, if you haven't seen my last video, go watch it. But y'all know I don't like carrots. Like, ugh. And I love my vegetables. But carrots, I was like, here we go. This is going to be nasty right off the bat. And then on top of that, they gave me one seasoning. I was like, all right, this is not finna go good. But, we're going to see. So, they was like, just add a little salt and pepper. But for me, I feel like you need to add more than that. You know what I'm saying? You can't just have salt and pepper on your food. Like, who does that? But anyways, so they had me put it on a pan and then put it in the oven, let that cook for about 13 minutes, I believe. And when I tell you I had to keep cleaning up, like I was cleaning up after every step. And I didn't really like that. I mean, I clean as I cook because, a little tip for y'all. It's an old school tip. Clean as you cook. Because when you don't, once you fix your meal, you sit down, you eat, you finish your meal, you get up, you got a whole, sink full of dishes. And nobody wants to do that after you had a really nice good cooked meal. So yeah, now I'm straining them chickpeas. If you're black, then you probably have a built-in strainer with your hand. I've never learned how to use, obviously you know how to use a strainer, but nobody uses that. So anyways, they had these cranberries. So I was gonna go in the salad with some celery, and they had this sauce. Oh, and so y'all, I got the veggie plan, right? So I'm thinking the veggie plan, because it says great for vegetarians and vegans. So I'm thinking, all right, bet it's going to be vegan. So, the sauce is smelling a little funny. You know what I'm saying? I don't like the smell of dairy. I think it smells nasty. It comes from cows. Anyways, but it was smelling a little funny. And I looked, it said contain milk. And I was like, oh, well, it's already in here. You know what I'm saying? And I don't believe in letting stuff go to waste. So I was like, I think they should have did a separate section. So that's my one critique. Or, well, the second critique, because the first one was like, they got way too many dishes. It's creating way, way too many dishes. The second is, how are you going to say it's great for vegetarians and vegans, but it's not great for vegans? You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe it does. I mean, it's probably partly my fault, because I probably didn't, check all the exact recipes. But, I just hit veggie, and I was like, all right, it's good to go. But I ain't like that. You know what I'm saying? Because vegetarians can eat vegan food, but vegans can't eat vegetarian food. And then I tried to carrot, because it was ready before all the rest of my food. And let me just tell you, 10 out of 10, don't recommend. Didn't taste good. I had to go back and add my other seasonings. But if you like carrots, it's gonna be bomb for you. You like carrots and barely any seasoning, it's gonna be bomb for you. But for me, it's a no-go. Anyways, so this was my finished product. This was my chicken salad. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, look at that. You can't tell me I'm not a chef. You know what I'm saying? Chef boy RD, it's me, KC, and the kitchen cooking up. Okay. So that's the finished product. It looks bomb. And I don't like chickpeas. I don't like walnuts. That's some of the stuff that was in there. And I was like, oh, I'm not gonna like this. But actually, the whole recipe, y'all see me doing the dishes? That's like the third time me cleaning. But anyways, I'm not really a person who likes, look at that pita bread, real nice and hot. But dang, what was I saying? I don't remember. But the whole meal itself was like a good 9 out of 10. I do recommend. My mom liked it. My sister liked it. So yeah, bomb. My other sister wouldn't eat it, but that's okay. Anyways, here's the finished products. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, Girl Scout. Love y'all. Bye.